Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. First, go to facebook.com and log into your account. Then, click your profile icon at the top right and select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings. Now, on the left side, open Meta Account Center. Click on See More in Account Center. Here, you'll see your connected profiles. Select your Facebook profile where you want to change the name. Next, click on Name. You can update your first, middle, and last name or manage other names if you want. Once done, click Review Change and confirm. Remember, Facebook only lets you change your name once every 60 days, so double check your spelling. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Facebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.